Assalamu alaikum. In this video I discuss the base of the heart. This is the chest X-ray lateral view and this is the location of the base of the heart. At first, the anatomical position, it is directed upward, backward and to the right. It lies opposite the apex. The direction of apex is downward, forward and to the left. In supine positions, it is situated in front of the 5 to 8 thoracic vertebra. In erect position, it is situated in front of the 6 to 9 thoracic vertebra. The formation of the base of the heart. Base of the heart is mainly formed by the left atrium. The posterior surface of the 2/3 of the left atrium and the posterior surface of the 1/3 of the right atrium is the form the base of the heart. The posterior relation of the base of the heart. This is the cross section of the heart. There is a two covering of the heart, serous pericardium and fibrous pericardium. Serous pericardium is relatively thin and it has two parts, the visceral pericardium and parietal pericardium. Visceral pericardium is closely covered the heart and the parietal pericardium is separate from visceral pericardium by a tiny space known as the pericardial cavity. So just behind the base of the heart, this is the visceral pericardium, this is parietal pericardium and there is a pouch like structure present here. This is known as the oblique sinus, and behind the oblique sinus this is the fibrous pericardium. The base of the heart also related with the right pair of the pulmonary vein. This is the pulmonary vein. This is trachea, this is right principal bronchus, this is the left principal bronchus. This is the lateral view of chest X-ray. This is trachea and this is the principal bronchus. So the base of the heart is related with right and left principal bronchus. It is also related with esophagus. This is the heart, this is the arch of the aorta, this is descending thoracic aorta. So base of the heart is related with descending thoracic aorta. And lastly, it is related with the thoracic duct. So the base of the heart is related with right pair of the pulmonary vein, principal bronchus, esophagus, and descending thoracic aorta, and lastly thoracic duct. Now the boundary of the base of the heart. Above bifurcation of the pulmonary trunk, below the posterior part of the atrioventricular groove, right side right border and left side part of the left border. So there is a video. This is the base of the heart. In front, this is the superior vena cava. This is ascending aorta. This is pulmonary trunk. Pulmonary trunk go posteriorly and is divided into two parts. This is the right and left branch of the pulmonary trunk. So this is the above boundary of the base of the heart, and this is the atrioventricular groove or coronary sulcus. So this is the posterior part of the atrioventricular groove. So this is the lower boundary of the base of the heart, and the left side, this is left border. So part of the left border is from the base of the heart, and here the right border from the right side of the base of the heart, and this is the location of the oblique sinus and fibrous pericardium. Now in this video showing the location of the transverse sinus. You know the location of the transverse sinus situated in between arterial end and venous end. So in front there is a ascending aorta and pulmonary trunk, and behind the superior vena cava and pulmonary vein. So this is all about base of the heart.